English phrases native speakers use every day.
Listen up.
It means pay attention.
Listen up, I have something important to say. Laughingstock.
It means someone everyone laughs at.
After his mistake, he became the laughingstock of the class. Live it down.
It means recover from embarrassment.
He'll never live it down after falling on stage. This is a fine kettle of fish.
It means this is a messy, strange situation.
Well, this is a fine kettle of fish, we're locked outside. I'll get you for this.
It means I'll take revenge jokingly seriously.
You hid my shoes? I'll get you for this. I'm on it.
It means I'll do it now.
Don't worry, I'm on it. I'm burned out.
It means I'm exhausted mentally.
I've been working all day, I'm burned out. You tortured me.
It means you annoyed me a lot.
Stop joking. You tortured me with your stories. I couldn't agree more.
It means I completely agree.
This movie is great, I couldn't agree more. You disappointed me.
It means you let me down.
You promised to help, you disappointed me. It hit me.
It means I suddenly realized.
It hit me that I forgot my keys. You can't fool me.
It means I'm not easily tricked.
You can't fool me, I know you're lying. I'm short of money.
It means I don't have enough money.
I can't buy it, I'm short of money. Don't stand in my way.
It means don't block me.
I'm leaving now, don't stand in my way. You farmed me.
It means you used me, took advantage.
You farmed me for answers again. I got a scoop for you.
It means I have fresh news.
I got a scoop for you, she's moving abroad. You dishonor me.
It means you embarrass, shame me.
By lying, you dishonor me. Who died and made you?
It means who put you in charge?
Stop ordering us around, who died and made you boss? Like father, like son.
It means son is like his father.
He loves music just like his dad, like father, like son. That's about the size of it.
It means that's roughly correct.
So he quit the job? That's about the size of it. Don't act all fancy.
It means don't pretend to be classy.
You're wearing sneakers, don't act all fancy. We really hit it off.
It means We connected well.
We met yesterday and really hit it off. The food is delectable.
It means the food is delicious.
The cake is delectable. I got carried away.
It means I overdid it.
I bought too many things. I got carried away. My conscience is clear.
It means I didn't do anything wrong.
I told the truth. My conscience is clear. This just in.
It means breaking news.
This just in, the storm is getting stronger. I can take the heat.
It means I can handle pressure.
Don't worry about me, I can take the heat. I'm fast asleep.
It means sleeping deeply.
Don't call me late, I'm fast asleep by 10. May I get by?
It means can I pass through?
Excuse me, may I get by? Snap out of it.
It means stop feeling that way.
You're overthinking, snap out of it. Knock over.
It means push something to fall.
Don't knock over the vase. This is not my first rodeo.
It means I have experience.
Don't worry, I know what I'm doing. This isn't my first rodeo. I was about to say.
It means I was just going to say that.
I was about to say the same thing. You are incompetent.
It means you can't do things well.
This work is full of mistakes, you're incompetent. I gotta take off.
It means I have to leave.
I gotta take off, see you later. Bon voyage.
It means have a good trip.
You're going to Paris? Bon voyage. Cheerio.
It means goodbye.
Cheerio. See you tomorrow. Peace out.
It means bye.
I'm leaving, peace out. I can relate.
It means I understand your feelings.
You're tired? I can relate. Screw you.
It means go away.
You lied? Screw you. What the heck?
It means what is this?
What the heck is happening? What's your deal?
It means what's your problem?
Why are you angry? What's your deal? Don't get on my nerves.
It means don't annoy me.
Stop talking, you're getting on my nerves. Filling up.
It means getting full.
The bus is filling up fast. When it rains, it pours.
It means bad things happen all at once.
First I lost my keys, then my phone. When it rains, it pours. Mind your own business.
It means don't interfere.
Stop asking, mind your own business. Don't push it.
It means don't go too far.
That joke was enough, don't push it. Stay the course.
It means keep going.
It's hard, but stay the course. Hard of hearing.
It means can't hear well.
Speak louder, he's hard of hearing. I don't get along with.
It means I have problems with.
I don't get along with my neighbor. I will try not to keep you.
It means I won't take your time.
I'll be quick, I'll try not to keep you. I command you.
It means I order you.
I command you to stop. Give it time.
It means be patient.
You'll feel better, give it time. Let's bounce.
It means let's leave.
This party is boring, let's bounce. Going to tie the knot.
It means getting married.
They're going to tie the knot next year. Chip up.
It means cheer up.
Don't be sad, chip up. Drop it.
It means stop talking about it.
The topic is over. Drop it. No biggie.
It means no problem.
You spilled water? No biggie.